First, let's go to All Parts menu. If you scroll all the way down, you'll find the Upload Custom Parts button. From there, we open our library and add the part we want to use in the design. It can be in formats like OBJ, GLTF, or GLV. In this case, I'm going to upload this flower pot. And that's it. Adding a custom part, it's that easy. Now, sometimes when you upload your model, it might show up without textures. This happens because they aren't properly embedded in the file. It's important to check and fix that before uploading. Let's try with this chair. To see it better, you can turn on the Show Floor option and also add shadows. Here's a tip to make sure your model has the correct proportions. Compare it with parts from our library. There you'll find human figures you can use as a reference. Another important point is that in the All Parts menu, there's also the My Custom Uploads tab. Here you can see the history of the parts you have uploaded, and if needed, edit or delete them. In this example, I'll re-add the plant I uploaded earlier. Sometimes you may notice a visual glitch when selecting your part. This is normal, and it fixes itself once you place the piece into your design. Within the Custom Parts option, you can also adjust the scale. This helps you place the object more precisely and maintain realism in your custom pieces. Additionally, there are sites like Sketchfab, where you can download free models. Explore different categories to find what you need. Bring them into your design and create something unique with CraftyAmigo.